Hey guys, back with a new video. My dogs are looking at me like, what are you doing? What's up? I just got a package. I haven't opened it yet, so it's kind of gonna be like an unboxing type thing and first impressions. The products I'll be using are from ColourPop, my favorite makeup brand ever probably. And yeah, let's get right into it. So this is what it says when you open the package. Open in case of party emergency. And then we got stuff in here. What did I even buy? Okay, so this is what this video is going to be about. The No Filter Foundation. I'm so excited right now. Like, you don't understand. And then I think I'm going to do a video on this palette for next week's video. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I also got the Shayla X ColourPop Loose Powder Highlighter. What did I get it in? In the shade Boomin'. And yeah, I'm probably going to use it in today's video because it's kind of hard to find a highlighter that's good for my skin tone, I noticed. Sometimes it's too white and sometimes it's too gold. And sometimes it just looks ashy, so I hope this doesn't. Woo. Guys, this is my tripod for today. Nice. Can you guys like shh for a second? Okay, so I really want to get started, but first I just want to tell you guys, if you hear noises in the background, it's always going to be my dogs. No one's getting murdered, I promise. It's just I have two bulldogs and they're like really freaking loud. So yeah. So for the No Filter Foundation, I got the shade Medium Dark 115. They actually have this thing on the website that you can like compare your shade from another company to one of their shades, and then that's how you match yourself, because since they're primarily an online company, there's no way for you to like swatch it on your face or your neck, so that's their way of doing it. And I think they have the MAC foundation, and they also have the Estee Lauder foundation, which is like my holy grail. So I put my color for my Estee Lauder foundation, and then they gave me this. So there you go. Oh, and the bottle is really cute. I saw it online. It has little stars. It's so cute. Oh my god. So yeah, it looks pretty small, to me at least. 25 milliliters, 0.85 fluid ounces. So it has 0.85 fluid ounces in here. I think. Okay, so it kind of like locks in place, and then you can open it when you want to use it. So I think it's travel friendly because you can actually bring it on an airplane because it's not more than 3 fluid ounces. So yeah, looks really cute. This looks like glass packaging. Yeah, I think it's glass. So I'm just gonna do like my normal routine. I'm kind of weird. I don't like wearing primer that much, so I use this moisturizer, the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Protecting Light Moisturizer SPF 15 UVA UVB protection. So I wear a light moisturizer because like I have really oily skin, but I know that if I don't moisturize, it's just gonna produce more oil because my face is gonna be so dry from the other products I use. So yeah, my skin has been acting up lately. As you can see, I only break out in this area. If you guys know why that's happening to me, let me know, because I really don't know. Shh. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this so my face isn't too dry. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand. Okay, it looks kind of like the color I use from Estee Lauder. Ooh, It's kind of like watery. It's like running down. Okay, so this is the color. I know it looks kind of yellow, but I'm sure when it goes on, it'll look better. I also want to see if it covers my pimples that I have right now. So I'm gonna start with those. I'm using a gross beauty blender that I have. I have to buy a new one. It looks kind of yellow on camera, but in person, it looks fine. I look like a literal alien on camera. I promise you, it looks fine in person. I just took another pump. I'm gonna take another pump. Is my face big? I don't know. Is that why I need so many pumps? I literally look yellow in the camera. Why? Why is this happening? Okay. So, I feel like I didn't put that much. Like, I kept putting pumps, but each little pump only gave me like this much, so that's why I needed like 3 or 4. But from what I can see, it covered my pimples pretty nicely. I'm not really gonna cake it up because I don't want my skin to like react badly to it, because I'm like gonna clog all my pores if I keep putting it on. But I think this is good enough actually. I'm curious to see if it like oxidizes or something. I don't know. I think the color looks fine. For some reason on camera it looks kind of weird. It looks very yellow, but my chest is kind of yellow, so let's put on some concealer. I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. What is my shade? It doesn't say your shade. I know that when it first came out, I think I was like golden something, and then they changed the name. But this and the foundation are kind of almost the same color, so it's not really going to lighten my under eyes at all. I kind of just like it to match. I'm not really a highlight under eye type of girl. And then I always put a little bit of extra coverage on my pimples. I think the real test is once I've been wearing it for like an hour to see if it makes me like really oily. But I am gonna bake because I do that with every foundation I try. Okay, this is weird. When I use this concealer with my Estee Lauder foundation, for some reason I didn't like it. I felt like it didn't look good with the foundation. Like, I think maybe the colors were a little bit off. Like the concealer was too dark for the actual color of the foundation that I had. But with this one, I don't know, I feel like it brightened it a little bit, and it gave me more of like a flawless finish. So I'm really liking this right now. I'm a little bit shocked just because like literally the only foundation I use is the Double Wear foundation from Estee Lauder, so it's like to find another one that I can use that's more affordable is amazing. So I'm gonna bake a little bit and do my brows and stuff like that. Just gonna do really natural makeup today. I'm using the NYC, what is this? Showtime Lash and Brow Clear Mascara. It's really, really inexpensive. I heard that the ColourPop one's really good, so I want to try that one soon. But yeah, this one's good for now, like till it runs out. And then I'll get the ColourPop one. And I use the ColourPop pomade thing in black and brown. Yeah, ColourPop brow color in black and brown. And those are my brows for like a very simple day. Actually no, for a very simple day, I just use brow gel and that's it. And I feel like more put together, you know what I mean? What should I do? Put on some mascara. I just really want this to bake because I want to give it a fair shot. I have powder all over my body. ColourPop should come out with a mascara. That would be so awesome. Because it would be inexpensive and probably bomb. Bomb. That's not really a word I use. Bomb. Start using it now. Bomb. Bomb. Okay, let's wipe off this Bake Bare Minerals brush. And I always put a little bit of the Superstay Better Skin Transforming Powder in 50 Natural Beige. I probably shouldn't be 50 Natural Beige. I should be like, I don't know, like 60 or 70. I have 80, but 80 is too dark. That's when I'm like really, really tan and stuff. But yeah, I like double on the powder because y'all know my oils is just what works best for me. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Estee Edit The Bears Bronzer in 02 Medium Deep. And I'm gonna use this brush that I got from TJ Maxx. My head is cut off right now. Okay. Really? I go ham with bronzer. I really like to look all like I just came back from vacation type thing, you know? Whew. Now, I'm gonna take this really gross ColourPop half highlighter, half blush thing. Doesn't say the name, so I'm sorry. It's so dirty. I think they still sell it though. Pretty sure. It's just a really peachy little blush here. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush, e.l.f. angled brush, and just make myself look a little peachy. Can you guys chill, please? I always put the wisp highlight on my face and then I layer it with like a loose highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit of wisp on my nose. I love nose highlight. Inner corner. And now I'm gonna use this Boomin' highlight. Boomin', guys, it's boomin'. My dogs don't care. I got it on my pants. My nose. Oh. Bridge. Emphasize my texture. Woo! I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't emphasize it as much as other highlights because it's a loose one, so the loose ones for some reason they don't really stick to my texture as much. Oh, am I putting too much? Wow, you couldn't really see it on camera. So pretty. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's pretty. Has little splatters of gold and then it says Shayla. Can you see anything? Shayla X ColourPop. Woo! So I'm gonna wait like an hour. I'm just gonna do like my normal daily routine stuff, and then I'm gonna let you guys know if my face has gotten really oily and I don't like it, or if it has stayed matte for an hour. I'll be back. You guys, it's been an hour and a half, and honestly this foundation looks even better with time, because when I first put it on it was kind of dry where I have acne, but right now it looks really great. And I've just been editing this video, the beginning of it, and no oils or any grossness has started happening. It hasn't been breaking apart or anything on my face. And yeah, I hope you guys try it out too. I don't know how friendly it will be for dry skin, because I can feel it kind of tight on my skin because I know it's really matte. So that could be my baking, I'm not sure, but I don't know if it's gonna be too friendly on dry skin, just a heads up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you next week. Bye.